Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over x plus 1 to the power of 2, capital B over x plus 1, and capital C over x squared plus 1. Because we have the power 2, so we need to have two fractions in here. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about x squared plus 1. So capital A multiplied by x squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about x plus 1 and x squared plus 1. So capital B multiplied by x plus 1, x squared plus 1. And capital C, it is missing about this one. And this one, that is about this one. Now, we need to expand. And this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of x about x to the power of 3. We have B about x squared. We have A plus B plus C. About x, we have B multiplied by x, C multiplied by 2x. So we have B plus 2C. About the number, we have A plus B plus C. And this one, we put this one gone here. Now, we just have only x. That means this one should be equals to number 1. We don't have x squared. We don't have x to the power of 3. We don't have the number. So, B, A plus B plus C equals to number 0. And now, we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to -1 over 2, B equals to number 0, C equals to 1 over 2. And now we put A, B, C gone here. So A equals to -1 over 2, B equals to number 0, C equals to 1 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 over x plus 1. This one you got about 0, so we don't need to care about this one. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 or 10 of x, and then we put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.